Here are the major developments that took place in the Indian solar industry in September 2023. India's PV module manufacturing capacity grew by 110% in the past year. As per a new report, PV module manufacturing capacity grew from 18 gigawatt in March 2022 to 38 gigawatt in March 2023. The policy changes introduced by the Indian government, such as PLI, ALMM and basic custom duties on the solar cell and modules, were the key reasons. The report also projects that Indian PV manufacturing capacity will exceed 110 gigawatt by 2026. MNRE relaxes DCR norms for solar cells under PM KUSUM. The requirement for indigenous solar cells for solar water pump installation under PM KUSUM scheme has been removed till 31st March 2024. Farmers can now claim a 60% subsidy on installation cost, even if they don't use DCR modules. The move will reduce the difficulty faced by stakeholders and fast-track the execution process of the scheme. Gujarat targets 100 gigawatt of RE capacity by 2030 in its newly launched renewable energy policy. The state will promote the development of solar, wind and hybrid wind solar projects. Moreover, the government land will be made available for the construction of solar farms. Initiatives like green tariffs and carbon credits will also be launched to facilitate a clean energy transition. Rajasthan is planning to add 90 gigawatt of solar and wind capacity by 2030. The state unveiled a draft renewable energy policy and the aim is to meet 70% of Rajasthan's energy requirement with non-fossil fuel sources by 2050. Rajasthan government will harness the state's 5.5 gigawatt of rooftop solar potential, which remains untapped. Projects under the policy will create approximately 111,000 jobs in multiple fields. Karnataka is planning to expand the capacity of Pavagad Solar Park by 3 gigawatt. UP to install 30,000 solar water pumps under PM KUSUM scheme. Navi Mumbai to get a 100 megawatt floating solar plant along with solar powered civic schools. Solar energy to power 24 green panchayats in Himachal Pradesh. Solar to meet 10% of Ghaziabad's energy demand in next 4 years. Indoor's Holka Stadium goes solar, gets 376 panels to meet power demand. In other news, Ornet Solar will be displaying its most innovative offering at REI 23. Come meet us at booth number 10.70 in India Expo Center from 4th to 6th October to witness a better way to solar. Follow us for more such videos.